I am Miss Kaliyaman. Topic is tomato, onion and ice cream. Once upon a time, the winter season, ice cream is called the tomato and the onion to play. Playing some more days, winter is over, summer is came. In summer season, ice cream go out and play. Some more minutes, that ice cream is melted. The tomato and the onion fried. Next day, the tomato and the onion going from
Who is talking, girls? Listen.
park. One boy playing the football did not see the tomato and the onion coming in the way. He threw the ball. The ball hit the tomato. Onion is fried and go top of the hill. And it made to the God. I cried for all the people. For me, who is come and cried? In the cloud, one light and voice tell for you. You died means near to you. All the people is right. Thank you.
Claps for Anna.